Can use barrier method during her fertile time, fertility awareness method, or no intercourse during her fertile time, meaning no fucky during that time of month. The strong points. If used without birth control, is approved by all religious groups. Fuck off. Anarchy! Satan! Very low cost. Can improve couples' communication and cooperation. So, meaning no fucky till this day, no sucky till this day. That sounds like very shitty time. Helpful when ready to become pregnant. Well, if you're ready at the age of 14, you are one slutty bitch. Okay, the weak points. Let's see here, James. Must check temperature and vaginal mucus every day. So you got to put a scoopy in the coochie.
I would love it if somebody was sitting outside listening to this right now.
If periods are irregular, may not be as effective. Women must have cooperation of her partner. So meaning if you lesbian, you fine. You know get fucked over. And also, special classes needed to learn. You have to go to class to learn to scoop your vagina and get all the mucus out and go, okay, this day's a bad day. Another shitty thing is no protection for the HIVs. So that means you're going to get the AIDS.
You should see your face.
Probably red and I look high.
Alright. Here is the method of a patch, pill, and vaginal ring. Okay, what is it? Pills, a skin patch, or a vaginal ring that release artificial hormones. It stops the ovaries from the releasing the egg. So meaning you have pretty much a normal egg you buy from Harmon's. It's a little chicken abortion. Okay, thickens mucus in the cervix, opening the womb, so it's harder for sperm to enter the womb. Meaning, you fuck that bitch, you know, get those little happy people in there. Must be prescribed by a clinician. Meaning, you cannot buy this over the counter because they're too worried if you get it, you can just have sex okay. Strong points. Simple and easy to use. Doesn't interfere with the sexual well, I don't know the word for that, but just the sex. It's the ha-ha, the hoo-ha, the la-la, and the snarf-snarf.
And the snoo-snoo.
And the snoo-snoo. Whatever these kids say nowadays. Just feeding and cramping during period. No comment. Less chance of PID with pills. What the fuck does PID stand for? Penis interference development? Last chance of ovarian or endometrial cancer with the pill. So you don't get the cancer in the vagina. That's like the AIDS. Some pills can reduce the number of periods in oh. The weak points may have weight changes, moodiness, and spotting. Nothing different from most of the American population, although the men do the same thing, Democrats. Not ideal while breastfeeding, so nobody can suck on the tatas if you'd be taking this shit. No kittens. May not be a good method for women over 35 who smoke. Well, Paris Hilton, you fucked. Last method, sterilization. What is it? Operation that makes a person unable to have a baby. You don't have the baby, you got to go give a baby. And it's permanent. Both men and women can be sterilized. Also known as neutering. You know what the chopping of the balls. No other non-physical ever be needed. No physical ever on sexual desire or ability. So, I mean, if you get the snippy, you can still do the fucky. Weak point. It's permanent. You cannot get your balls back later. You fucked. And you got no protection from the HIV or the STD. Just because your balls are gone does not mean you cannot get the itchy. And that is all, class.